Okay, and yeah, that's all. What is the trivial name of this compound? Water. This is what? Dihydrogen monosulfide. Right? The name of this compound is, for IUPAC name is dihydrogen monosulfide. But normally trivial name is used hydrogen sulfide. Just trivial name of this is what? Hydrogen sulfide. Right? Okay, and there are many more examples. You can write those things, right? Okay, for example, NO, N2O5, SF4, SF6, and BF3, CLF5, right? Try these names also, right? Okay, try these names as a homework. Okay. Okay, pause the video and note them. Okay, screenshot. Okay, then polyatomic ions, name of polyatomic ions, straight up. Earlier we have seen what monoatomic ions, right? NaCl, AlCl3, aluminium 3%, chloride. Both are monoatomic ions. Now polyatomic ions. There are many polyatomic ions, right? Yeah. All important polyatomic ions have been given, and what you should do, you should write the name. Right? I'm writing that. Okay. So what? NH4 plus. What's the name of NH4 plus? Ammonium, right? Ammonium ion. And then wait. Right? NH4 plus. Right? Okay. I'm saying the name. You don't need to write. I'll give a photo. Right? Okay, I'll give a photo. You better look at that photo and write down the name. Right? Okay. I'll send a photo through WhatsApp. Okay. So just dictate the name. NH4 plus. Okay. Normally polyatomic ions are named as for cation the name ends with IUM, EM, like, right? Let's write a cation NH4 plus. NH4 plus. What's the name? Ammonium. Right? Ammonium. For anion, it ends with IDE. O ITE. O ATE. Right? IDE, ITE, O ATE. IDE. We have seen it earlier. Right? We have discussed it earlier. IDE. ITE. ITE. ATE. 8. right? So these type of suffixes are used, right? These type of suffix I, for cation the suffix iun is used, right? Only I think NH4 plus is the one and only cation you need. NH4 plus is the one and only cation, but many ions, there are many ions, right? Okay. So we'll write the name. What? What have you done? Wait. NH4 plus. Okay. Then OH minus. Oh, sorry, I have Cn minus. HS minus. O2 2 minus. O2 1 minus. Okay. SO3 2 minus. ClO2 minus. HSO3 minus. SO4 2 minus. HSO4 minus. AlO2 minus. ZnO2 2 minus. NO3 minus. ClO3 minus. MnO4 2 minus. MnO4 minus. Okay. CrO4 2 minus. Cr2O7 2 minus. Okay, let's write the names. Which one? I missed it. N02 minus. SO3 minus. Then
ClO2
then
HSO3 minus.
HSO3
minus.
Okay, let's write the name, right? Okay, ammonium ion, right? Sorry, ammonium. What's the name of this? Hydroxide, right? Hydroxide ends with DE, ID, hydroxide. What's this? Cyanide, special name, cyanide. Right? Cyanide, dangerous, right? Normally potassium cyanide, hydrogen cyanide, sodium cyanide, potassium, they are very dangerous. Why? Yeah, they are very poisonous. Why? They can form strong complexes with the hemoglobin in our RBC. Right? They can form strong complex with hemoglobin. Right? So we can't intake the body. Our body can't intake oxygen. right? Or oxygen intake will be a problem, right? You know, oxygenated blood is bright red color. Deoxygenated blood, blue light color, isn't it? So that's why if you have cyanide, your body become blue like, right? Blue like, right? That's the reason, right? Okay, we'll study those things later. You don't know the meaning of complex also, right? I said that these cyanide forms a complex with hemoglobin. You don't know the meaning of complex. We'll study in inorganic chemistry, unit 6, right? Okay, what's the name of this? Hydrogen sulfide, right? The name is hydrogen sulfide, right? Hydrogen sulfide. What's this name? We have studied these ions. What? This is peroxide, superoxide, right? Okay, SO3 2 minus. Let's study together. SO3 2 minus and SO4 2 minus, right? SO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. What's the name? This one is sulfide. Sulfide. This one sulfate. Right? The ion with the lower number of oxygen is named sulfide. The ion with higher number of oxygen is normally called 8, sulfate, right? Okay, and NO2 minus, NO3 minus, what's the name? Nitrite, nitrate, right? ClO2 minus and ClO3 minus, chloride, chlorate, chlorate. Okay, I think you can't see the letters. It's not a problem. Only voice is important, not the letters. Why? I will be sending that. Right? I'll send a photo. So you can write it, right? And then what is these two? MnO4 2 minus, MnO4 1 minus. What's the name? This is manganite, manganate, manganite, manganate. Right? Okay, actually, the number of oxygen is not important. I have already said that number of oxygen is important. Right? Lower number of oxygen is ITE, higher number of oxygen is ATE. Yeah, you can memorize like that. What important thing is not number. That's not the accurate thing. The oxidation number, oxidation state. What's the oxidation state of nitrogen here? +3. Here +5. Low oxidation state. For the central state of low oxidation state is ITE, named as ITE. For the central atom, nitrogen, high oxidation state. Right. So what's this oxidation state of this? SO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. This is +4 +6. And what about these two? MnO4 2 minus, MnO4 1 minus. Manganese +6. This manganese +7. So this is manganite and this is manganate. Right? Okay. But there's a problem. The problem is, I think it's mentioned. Mentioned on the page. Okay. Okay, that's the important thing, right? But here there's a small problem. We'll study that later. Let me today. Today later, right? The name of these two, right? The name of this is manganate, and this name is permanganate. Manganate, permanganate, right? Okay. We'll study the reason later, right? And okay, what's this? Sulfate. H plus is added to this. H plus, if H plus is added to this is the ion, resultant ion. What is the name? Hydrogen sulfate. Right? H plus is added to sulfide, hydrogen sulfide. H plus, hydrogen sulfate. What's this? This is carbonate, and this one is HCO3 minus, hydrogen carbonate. Old name is, trivial name is bicarbonate. Trivial name is bicarbonate. Right? Modern IUPAC name is what? Hydrogen carbonate. Right? This is phosphate. And this one is hydrogen phosphate. This one, dihydrogen phosphate. Both are, all three are same origin. Right? Phosphate. If one H plus is added to phosphate, hydrogen phosphate. If two H plus is added, the name would be dihydrogen phosphate. And another important thing, space should be left between hydrogen and ion. Hydrogen and other name. Hydrogen space phosphate. Dihydrogen space phosphate. Those will be here like this. Hydrogen space sulfide. Right? Okay. And there are some special names. What's this name? Aluminate, zincate. Right? Okay. There are some, chromate. What's this? Chromate, dichromate. Right? Oxidation state of both these chromium are +6. Calculate the oxidation state, +6. Calculate this. If you calculate the oxidation state of chromium here, it's also +6. So this is chromate, and this one is what? Dichromate, because there are two chromium atoms. Dichromate, right? And there are some special name. What's this? C2O4 2- oxalate. C2 carbonate 4 oxygen. C2O4 2-. The name is oxalate. S2O3 2-. Thiosulfate. Right? Thiosulfate. Tetrathionate. Right? Tetrathionate. Those are the special names. Right? Those are the special names. Okay? And